guys, this is a car charger, yep, from McDodo, and I got it for about 30 ringgit or 30 plus. That's about $8 or $9, yeah, around there. So this is pretty nice looking item. I bought it because my previous one just burned, and that's only a very cheap one, so I think I should have gotten a better one. So this is charge faster, go faster, come with the 75 watts USB-A and USB-C, but I think it doesn't do two at the same time, 75 watts. I think it's about 40 or 30 plus, yeah. So let's see on the specs here. The product feature, the series name is called Venus. Okay, and the output and input is here, and the material is interesting because it's made of aluminium alloy and ABS. Yep, 25 grams. Support PD and QC charging. Okay, so let's open this. Yeah, pretty secure for such a small item. Okay, it's empty now, and there is a few papers here, two pieces of them. This is a guarantee policy. Okay, won't be reading that. And this is the manual. I think, do you need a manual for this? It's pretty simple, isn't it? Let's see. So this manual basically is just saying that you got this LED display, and you have a USB-C charging port and USB-A charging port, and these are the product parameters. I think I saw that just now, and user instructions. Yeah, just put it into the cigarette lighter. I think everybody knows that. And connect to the end charger cable. Yeah, I know that. Okay, and there's a warning. Yeah, there's a warning that vehicle with voltage of 12 watt to 24 watts only. Above 24 watts, nope, it will fail. Okay, yeah, I think that's about it, guys. Nothing much to read, and the rest are in different languages. So there you go, this is it, the item itself. Very small one, but it looks pretty good. Yeah, it's in rose gold. This is pretty nice looking. Yeah, there's a McDodo logo here, and this feels tough. Yeah, it's not a normal plastic. It's actually quite tough and well built as well. And it says USB-A here and USB-C here, and I believe there is a LED screen here as well, showing how many watts are required for the charging. So later on I will be charging this in, I'll be testing this in the car. So yeah, I think that's all about the unboxing. I'll be doing some testing, then I will let you guys know how it works. Does it work well? Does it charge fast? All right. Hey guys, now I'm in my car, and this is the McDodo Car Charger, which is really nice looking. Let's plug it in, and you get to see it's now consuming 14.3, or it actually can output 14.3 watts. That's because it's not charging anything yet. So I got a USB-A here. Once I plug it in, can't really see, it's still 14.3, so I'm gonna leave it there. I have another cable here, which is a USB-C cable, original from iPhone. Just plug it in. Nothing changes, still 14.3. So I'm going to plug this end to the phone where I am shooting this video. Yeah, so just plug it in, and I think it should be charging already, but it's still showing 14.3 only. Does that mean it's not what does that mean anyway? Yeah, is it supposed to be higher? Let me just try and off this recording and see, does it move? Or it's moving 14.1 now. Okay, that's slow charging. After I shut down my car, it's showing 13.4. I think it's better to just pull it out. Yeah. So guys, I have tried to use my phone as much as possible, and now it's only about 30% of the battery, but still it's not giving me a very high voltage. So the max is still 12.9. Well, I don't think that's fast charging anyway, but still nice. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you so much. Bye.